In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add a featured products section to your Wix website. This simple task can truly enhance your site's appearance and user interaction. And I am here to guide you through every step. The process begins with a click on the Add button on your Wix website. This noteworthy button is your portal to creating new and dynamic content on your site. So take your time and search for this button on your website's panel. Once you've found it, confidently give it a click and prepare to navigate to the next point in the process of creating a featured products section. Next, navigate your cursor towards the option that says Store. This might be located either in the drop-down menu that appears once you click the Add button, or it might be among a selection of options from your main site dashboard. It's worth noting that this Store option is your entryway into creating a vibrant online shop, or perhaps enhancing an already existing one. After selecting the Store option, click on Add to ensure that you execute your earlier command. This will initiate the software to create a new store in response to your commendable interest in making your site a hub for commerce. Now, it's time to navigate to the store we have just created. Do not worry, finding it is not as difficult as you may think. Usually, the store should appear in your dashboard or in the site editing panel. Once you have successfully located it, give it a good click and bask in the glory of your new online store. From your newly created store, your next step is to click on Manage Store. This option is usually found within your dashboard or editing panel. Depending on the interface of your Wix, it might be found as a separate tab within your store settings, or as a pop-up option. Remember, managing your store is an integral task if you are keen on creating a thriving online business on Wix. Subsequently, within your store management, you should be able to spot an option that says Add Product. Locating this option is quite crucial, as it is through this that you will actually be able to add products to your featured section, making it one of the most important steps in the whole process. Now, not to leave you in suspense, the Add Product option is often located in a conspicuous position within your Manage Store dashboard, so it should not be too hard to find. Once you have found it, do not allow any hesitation. Go right ahead and click on Add Product. You've made it this far after all. Be fully prepared for the joy of being able to showcase your fantastic and unique products systematically and attractively for all your site visitors to see. Thus, we have successfully navigated the